Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to open your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and over here, you won't be able to see any of the options of directly purchasing XRP in your Phantom Wallet. So in this situation, what you can do is you can purchase XRP in any of the exchanges of your choice. It can be Bybit, BitGet, Binance, or anything else. And from there, you can send your XRP to your Phantom wallet using these networks like Solana network, Ethereum, Polygon networks. So here, in order to do it, you just have to simply tap on the receive option, and from this list you just have to select the particular network that you want to use in order to basically send your XRP from the exchange. Now we just skip this part and we just open our exchange, and for this video I chose my Binance account. So over here you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you just have to select your XRP. Afterwards, tap on the withdrawal option and select the send via crypto network option. Now over here it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you just have to simply come to your Phantom wallet and copy the Ethereum network. Now you need to paste the address in this section. Then in the network you need to select the ERC20 network. Here you need to enter the amount of XRP that you want to withdraw. Here you need to remember that the minimum withdrawal amount is 5.5, and you will also need to pay XRP as the network fees. So you need to remember that as well. Then you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get your XRP in your Phantom wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.